Við hjá Íslandsbanka höfum tekið heimsmarkmiðið Sameinuðu þjóðanna inn í stefnu bankans og þar á meðal nýsköpun mjög fyrirferðarmikil. Við sjáum í löndunum í kringum okkur að máltækni farin að verða afar fyrirferðarmikil og við teljum að það sé ekki spurning hvort heldur hvenær hún mun ryðja sig til rúms á Íslandi. Við leggjandi áherslu á nýsköpun ætlum að sjálfsögðu að vera í fararbroddi þar og munum leggja áherslu á samstarf við innlend og jafnvel erlend fyrirtæki til að styðja við framgang máltækni og notkun máltækni á Íslandi. Því við teljum að þetta mun vera ekki bara okkar viðskiptavinum heldur vonandi öllum landsmönnum til hagsbóta þegar fram í sækir.
Við gerum mikið af notendaprófum með okkar viðskiptavinum þar sem við vinnum einna helst í upplifuninni, flæðun á vörunni og tungumálinu. Markmiðið að viðskiptavinur skilji hvaða vöru við erum að bjóða honum. Undanfarin ár höfum við lagt mikla áherslu á að einfalda og létta allt okkar tungumál í öllum okkar stafrænu dreifileiðum sem hefur skilað mikilli ánægju og aukinni notkun. Því við vitum að góð upplifun í stafrænu lausnum getur gefið okkur forskot á markaði og þangað ætlum við.
If we go back to the essence of banking, it's all about trust. It's all about knowing that the person that's promised to pay you for a certain product or service is good for the money that he promises you. Now, if you go back to how we create trust, that is through the use of language. In order to be able to know that the person that you're putting your trust in is sincere, it is about understanding the person firstly, being able to communicate to that person, and knowing that they are authentic. And that's the role that banks have been playing over the millenniums. Now, we've been going into the digital era, and Íslandsbanki is no different. We are focusing about creating digital experiences for our clients. But when we think about that, it is important for us to recreate these human experiences within the digital channels. It's important to create that emotional connection that we have built up with our clients over the years, but in a digital concept. Now, in order to do that, we need the power of language. It is surprising for people to realize that the smartphone, the original smartphone, the iPhone, only came out in 2007. Yet today, it is pervasive and we take it for granted. And similarly, I believe language technology will fundamentally change the way we look at banking applications in the future. Gone are the days of having to go into an app and hoping that it is understanding my needs and translate it into my language. Can you imagine a world where you are logging into your banking app, not having to worry if it's been translated into your mother tongue? It will just work. But actually even better, in the future you will not be logging into a banking app. You'll be talking to your devices and you will be ensured that the device understands you, and the person on the other side will be able to meet your requirements as you need it. And we will ensure that we will building the trust and maintaining the trust that we have built over the years.